Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify pagination UX with Ant Design Table, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify pagination UX with Ant Design Table, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have the Ant Design library installed in your React project. Create a new component for the data table. Import the necessary components from Ant Design. Set up initial state for your data and pagination configuration. Define the data source you want to display in the table. Use the Ant Design Table component in your render method. Pass the data source and columns as props to the table component. Now, add pagination settings utilizing the pagination prop. Customize the page size options to enhance user experience. Check if the pagination component is displayed correctly on the table. Implement a function to handle changes in pagination, such as page number or page size. Test the pagination functionality by navigating through different pages. Verify that the displayed data updates as users interact with the pagination controls. Ensure that the correct page numbers are shown in the pagination controls. Simulate edge cases, such as having fewer items than the page size. Review the responsiveness of the pagination on various screen sizes. Adjust the layout if needed to ensure it remains user-friendly. Record any issues you encountered during testing. Make necessary adjustments based on your findings. Finally, confirm that the pagination UX aligns with your overall design guidelines. Document your verification process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.